Hi guys, welcome to Umisoft. Hope you're doing well. In my last video, I had developed a bot for my client that scraps data from a specific website. Today, I have developed another scraping bot for my.furnishweb.com. So if you have any project for me, then feel free to reach out. I'm surely available 24/7 for new projects as always. Alright, let's move to the laptop screen and launch the bot. So this is the simple and user-friendly interface of the bot. First, let's enter our target keyword. Let's say we are looking for dining chairs. I will type that in, and instead of scraping everything, the bot will only fetch data relevant to our target keyword. Now let's start the bot by clicking Start button, and as you can see, the bot is navigating to the website login page. Since this website requires login, so I will simply put my login credentials that my client has provided me. Once logged in, the bot will start scraping products data like product names, descriptions, stock availability, pricing, and many more necessary product details without any interruptions. Let's say you are extracting thousands of products and need a break. Then you can pause the process at any time by clicking on pause button and resume it whenever you need it. So this bot is another great example of automation, that how it can transform data collection for businesses. And my clients rely on these tools to save time and eliminate manual efforts. And I provide similar solutions that helps you to automate tasks and save time in your business. So if you're looking for a similar automation tool or need a bot for any website, feel free to reach out. And drop a comment below if you have any website that you would like me to automate next. I'm always open to new projects. So thanks for watching this video, and I will be back with another powerful tool. Until then, take care and stay blessed.